is indeed a very special. We are going to celebrate a very special occasion of one person. A person that I know is very dear and very loved in all our hearts. And of course, we are very lucky. Imagine nyo sa kadamo-damo ang kilala ni Tita Olive. We are the chosen ones. Palampakan naman dyan! Nung kita ang natakot sa ulina, sa tanan ng pagkilala ni Tita Olive. So that calls for a celebration. And of course, to formally start this event, may I request everybody to please stand for an opening prayer to be led by Mr. John Wayne Cartuhan.
Let us pray. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Heavenly Father, thank you for the precious gift of life you have given to my dearest Aunt Olive, and for the many years you have lovingly given her. On her golden birthday, we praise you for your faithfulness, grace, and protection throughout her journey. Bless her with good health, peace of mind, and a joyful heart. May she continue to walk in your light and feel your presence every day. Surround her with love, guide her steps, and grant the desires of her heart according to your will. We offer the celebration to you with grateful hearts. May you continue to bless her as she is a blessing to others. Keep her and her family away from sickness and harm. I also pray for all who are present today. Thank you for bringing them in this occasion. May you fill their hearts with happiness and bring them home safely. This we all pray in Jesus' name. Amen.
Thank you so much. We'll now all be seated. So before we unravel or see our celebrant this evening, allow me to have a short introduction of our birthday celebrant. So our celebrant is a second daughter among the three siblings, a woman who has always stood with strength, humility, and heart. For 28 remarkable years, she has faithfully served the community as a dedicated midwife at Sapian RHU, touching countless lives, welcoming new beginnings, and being a source of comfort, care, and hope to so many families. Beyond her profession, she is known for her passionate spirit, her generous soul, and her kind heart, someone who gives without hesitation and loves without limits. And for 24 beautiful years, she has been happily married, proving that love, commitment, and partnership only grows stronger with time. Tonight, we celebrate not just her age, but her journey, her sacrifices, her achievements, and the many lives she has inspired along the way. Welcome to Fabulous Via at 50, a celebration of grace, passion, and purpose. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all stand as we welcome with great pride and joy our beautiful celebrant, Mrs. Maria Olivia Garcia Marquez. Dapat sumasayaw, tita. Once again, a round of applause to our very beautiful celebrant. Ayun. So, pwede na umupo nila. And everyone, you may now take your seats. At this juncture, since tayo ang mga napili ng celebrant to join with her in her special occasion, we will hear messages from the persons closest to the heart of our celebrant. We will start with the friends and batchmate of our celebrant. We have no other than the very beautiful, the very active, my #1 SB member, Honorable Annalisa Baguio!
Good evening sa tanan-tanan. kami ni Olive, mas nag-high school at siyempre, Garcia pala kami. Papa. Katupunan. At siya mo, manhipos na si Olive. Abot na naggamot tayo. Hindi ka mapate. Natap na nato ni Daddy. Oo, mahigos na si Olive. Natingalan ako pag-asawa na yung lugar. Nag-amok yung taplan with Ado. Agwat na kasayad na rin nga kung mag-15 ka, kala hindi mo alam. Ang bago na. What ako na inform na mag-15 ko nung naiwan na siya. Kali-kali po ako na, kwento na ano ako yung pangalan sa akong lugar doon. Anyways, Liv, happy birthday. I know nga, ikaw isa ka babae with a big heart. Ay haning katupo na pamuwat ba si Olive. May sa mga classmates na, wala ka si Olive punta. Guys ko kami, wala tara. Nag-iinipos mo lang pa siya. Pag sa mga kontra ka anak, hindi na siya magpakati. Tuot. Hasta makara kung December, nagatumpok tayo tao ko kay Olive. Ay, gapan ako gitaran si Olive. Nagsumula pa ka sa kapolitika. Sa politika na tao. Maot ko nun, sige. Give happy birthday and continue to be blessed and be a blessing to others. Happy birthday! Ang gano'n sa malipatan. Iba sa ako pala ay nagpaan gano'n ko. Iba ko nagsana. Ganun mag-abot lang sa sabihan, ha? May utang.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin si Honorable Pangving Baguio for the very wonderful message. And of course, Chuck Togit, Tita Olive is one of the most generous person I know. I remember, kasulisit kami sa Ilabalay. Gahatag pa lang po na masulisit ka kadro sa kwarto. Buo lagi sa kwarta. Why na ginabasa ang letter. So that is how generous Tita Olive is. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating celebrant. Alright, the next message is from the co-worker of our beloved celebrant. We have the OIC Municipal Health Officer of the RHU sa PM. We have Dr. Angel Anonoy. Palakpakan naman dyan!
Good evening, everyone. Nang gusto ko matali, namin, di man siya nag-andana, takasok parehos, man siya pa na kung nakita ng mga tao. First of all, happy golden birthday, Tita Olive. So, na-touch din ako kay I am one of the chosen one. So, nag-ano naman ito, syempre na pa, okay, first time ko kasi magkanto. So, taga-dream ako pero first time ko nagkanto. So, sa nakilala ko, mga pinapalang takas sa months, mga 7 months pa lang nakilala. So, wala ako may malain na nabatikan. Kaya dito ko pati, puros manami. First ko nakilala, si Ta Olive sa RHU, tapos 1 month pa lang na July ato, gina-invite na gid ako sa ilang for fiesta. So twice gid, before pa lang sa fiesta, nagpang-invite na siya. So, tapos pagkabuwas ng fiesta, nagkatko pag ko sa ilang balay, biskan do wala na tao, gin-open Manila ilang house para sa ako, nagpanginabot na ako dito. And then, every time nga magbarangay ako, ano na ko Tita Olive, na okay do, kadto ka lang. Tapos, ready naman ang everything sa mga gina-offer dito sa mga services niya para sa ako at para man sa doon ng mga pamuluyo dito sa barangay. So, nagpasalamat man ako. Pag biskan kung mayroon man ng times na bisan wala kami pagin ng kapo, ay tinakadawin kami sa Apong Mar para magkaon lang. Ay, bawal gali. Ay, bawal gali magkaon. Tapos, nakita, syempre wala pa ako din sa sapian mag-Christmas. So, kita ko man sa mga pang-post, very generous. Di man si Tita Olive, una man ako namian. So, tani, maano man ako, ma-generosan man ako. So, buong ari na generous na siya. Kasi na. So, happy birthday, Tita Olive. Thank you for inviting me. I hope you have a joyous, wonderful, more years to come. And magupda na ipagintang malawig sa RHU. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. A round of applause to Dr. Angel Anonoy. Hi sa mga taga-RHU nga. Dala pa ka sa Abuman? Awan ako. Sundo. Siyempre, tako pa si Dr. Angel. Hindi na makilala pa ni Ta Olive. Alright, so we will have another message from one of the closest co-worker of our birthday celebrant. We have our very hard-working nurse in Sapian RHU. We have Ma'am Yodeline P. Herrera. Palakpakan naman dyan.
Good evening, everyone. Para maiba naman, allow me to read my message. Kagalinado from the heart, Jacob Subong from the toe. So, only 50 years young and full of heart. Thank you for being such a wonderful co-worker and friend. Your hard work and commitment never be unnoticed. And your positive attitude is truly contagious. Contagious, di ba? May your birthday be filled with delightful surprises, cherished moments, and all the things that brings you happiness. Here's the another years of success and collaborative achievements and unforgettable memories. Thank you for being our invaluable part of our teams and for being our hoping ATM. Diba guys? Hoping ATM. Your support, kindness, and generosity will bring help to others. More power, and God bless you always. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Toto. Pila mo to ka days i-prepare ang message mo, Ma'am Toto?
1 week.
1 week. She did 1 week. It's all over Ma'am Toto. Palakpakan naman for the message of Ma'am Toto. And for our next message, of course, we have from the beloved daughter of our birthday celebrant. Let's give a round of applause to Mary Chrissy G. Marquez.
Good evening, everyone. To the most beautiful person I know, happy 50th birthday, Mommy. On this special day of yours, I wish you happiness, laughter, and joy on your special day. May this new chapter bring you peace, good health, and dreams fulfilled. May you receive the same amount of kindness and generosity you gave from others. You deserve laughter that lasts longer, days that feel lighter, and the moments that remind you just how special you are. I am truly grateful to be your daughter or unika iha in your life for all the things you've done and gave to me. Your efforts just by waking up early to prepare my food or giving me baon to school is truly appreciated by me. I may be stubborn or suplada sometimes, but always remember I will love you always no matter what. Thank you for the sacrifices you made, the lessons you taught us, and the endless love you continue to give so freely. I am thankful to have a mother like you who is endlessly supportive and proud for all of my achievements in life. No matter how old I get, I will always need you, love you, and look up to you. Because at the end of the day, I will always find my way back to you even when life gets heavy. We love you more than words can ever express. Happy birthday, May, and I wish you more beautiful years ahead.
Thank you so much. Let's give a round of applause to the beloved daughter of our celebrant, of course. That is how amazing Tita Olive raised her children to become a very beautiful and equally kind woman as she is. And of course, to wrap up the messages, what could be more fitting than to seal it with the love and support from the beloved husband of our celebrant. Let's give a round of applause to Mr. Marlon Marquez. And you will seal it with a... Ayun, rinig. Okay na to? No. Ay, okay na? No. Okay na? Ay, wala pa. Once again, a round of applause to our lovely couple. Don't need yung birthday. Ano daw? Don't anniversary yun. Sobra nila. Alright, so... Selected lang ang message. May araw ba gusto maghatag sa special message atong celebrant? Basta may mga gusto nyo ka ipang-approve sa inyo tagi-pusoon. Kita di ba gusto nyo ihambal? Sino gusto na lang mag-message sa atong celebrant? Sino gusto mo tamang message sa? Ang sa kubukon, huwag na maghatag message. Kita-kita lang, di ba? Pasalamat kita, nabunutan kita sa rapol. Ayaw ka mo dyan. Si May. Palakpakan naman. Fresh from Canada. Let's give a round of applause. And saan ang music natin? Music maestro.
Wow, ang naman kita. I'd say, hindi yun ako pasautan later. Ay, later lang pala. Dali lang. Auntie, happy birthday. And thank you for inviting us. Ni Justin here. No, sakto kita'y pag-uli namon. Di ba na? Actually, tuon din na tanang yung birthday ni Auntie ko. Sigurado bang gagawin na yung 50th. Wow! Ihandak! So, Auntie, happy birthday. Grabe ka tayong pag-support. Especially sa aming family. Wow, without Auntie, I don't know. I don't know kung ano ng kita na. But, yeah, Auntie, very thankful kami mo. Happy birthday!
Lumag-agis mo na ko. Hindi, naman ito dito sa tawalin ko. Sino ba gusto mong message, tita? Dili ka table? Sino ang atat niya? Lucky? Masunod ba? Basta index. Let's give a round of applause to Ate Yubia!
Ako lang kita natin. Ito, hindi ka pa. Grabe niya.
Grabe mo kung
Grabe nila. Wakit ako nag-check nila ulit. Thank you din sa invite. Nang kita ulit, very generous ka lang ako. Kaya minsan sa may ginahokip, kada Christmas, wag na ako nakalimatan. Kung may medyo ginahambala na ako, naakit sa kung sino ang nag-aakit kakot. Wow! Okay! Tapos pinasuportahan na gila ako. Kalalihan pa kayo ko na. Ilang taon na gitaro, pero galing ko lang nung gamo. So, pero tayo, si valedictorian ko na sa mga pulmas. Valedictorian ko na siya tawag. Wala yung time dito sa dayan. Tayo na ulit. Thank you kita. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Tita Ibiang. And of course, to somehow cut naman natin, he will be entertained by the intermission number this evening. So he is one of the most talented performer in Sapian. One of the most handsome performer in Sapian. one of the most sought after performer in Sabian. No other than myself. So let's give a round of applause to our intermission number. Operator ba? One-man show na niya. Wala ka palakpakan dyan. We fell in love on the first night that we lived together. We've been happy. I have very few regrets. The ordinary problems have not been hard to face, but lately the changes have been slowly taking place. You're always finding something is wrong in what I do, but you can rearrange my life because it pleases you. You've got to love me more than I am, but simply me. Don't be for you in time, or hope that I will be. You're only using me to feed your fantasy. You're really not enough, so let me go. I must be free. Palakpakan mo dyan. If what you want isn't natural for me, I won't pretend to keep what I have to be. The picture of perfection is only in my mind. For all your expectations, love can never be beside. We entertain each other forever we are. Leave the life we made behind. Make another song. You've got to love me for what I am, but simply be me. Don't let me all on you intend, and I hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. You're only using me to feed your fantasy. You're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. You're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. Thank you so much. And of course, we will have also Tita a surprise number for you this evening. So may I request the participants to please proceed here at the center for our surprise intermission number sa ating celebrant this evening.
Kamu na
Dali lang. Hayang ibar ko dira dito, dada. Ay, sugpon niya siya. Okay. May mind. Kaya mga watchmate, tanaw, talang tilindog. Ready, ready? Hi, Ninong. PJ. Alay din niya. Oh. Ready na? Wala ba ka naman dyan? Energy, energy! Alright, wala pa ka naman. And of course, magpapatalo ba ang batchmates ng ating birthday celebrant? Let's give a round of applause to Batch 2000!
Circle ba ito yung sawa?
Ging si Subang.
Ay, di lang. Okay, Pastor Anay, while we fix our connection. Naikot-ikot ang suda. Okay, once again, a round of applause to Batch 2000!
Palakpakan naman!
Bali, mga 2 hours yung practice ko ngayon. Kaya nga ako dyan sa kubo-kubo. And we will have another special number. Let's give a round of applause for a song number from North and South. All the way, fresh from Gimaras. Kita galing pangayaw. All the way ako.
Pulos-pulos? Iyong ganda na. Ay, sila.
Kasi ang paliron, wala kita.
Okay lang sa kamay.
Pulos-pulos?
I love you, Lord. For your mercy never fails me. All my days, I'll be held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. So my life you have been faithful. So my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire. In darkness night, you are close like no other. I know you as a father. I know you as a friend. And I have the goodness of God. So my life you are in faithful. So my life you have been so good. Every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. My life lays down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running
I give you everything. Running up to me. So my life you have been faithful. So my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. So my life you have been faithful. So my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing the goodness of God. Oh, I will sing the goodness of God. Oh, I will
Thank you so much for that very angelic and wonderful performance from North and South. Ilang pangalan? Ilang name mismo to? Once again, palakpakan naman. We have witnessed a talent from Gimaras.
Sa tatay na nag-ilog sa tatay, si Ray Dennis.
So dapat ang tatay maano man, intermission number man. Kung softball dapat ang tatay na. So karon lang ko no. Alright, so karon sir, may intermission si sir. At this juncture, we will have the photo opportunity with the celebrant. So as I call on your group or your names, kindly join our celebrant here for the picture taking. We will start with batch 2000.
Patayunan, dayunan kita ko yung kausan na.
Ito ang brother mo? 2,000 ka ba ay?
Yes! Hindi naman pamulaga kasi sumakat.
Alright, give me your best smile. Alright, one. Wacky shot, and 1, 2, 3, Wacky. Alright, so the next may I request the beloved husband and the daughter of our birthday celebrant to please join our celebrant here at the center.
Kita?
If you feel like that's what you want, here come bad news, talking this and that. Give me all you got, don't hold it back. I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine.
Alright, thank you so much. And then we have the RHU family of our birthday celebrant.
If you feel like a room without you, clap along if you feel like happiness is. Clap along if you know know what happiness is to you. Because clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't run. Bring me down, love's too high. Bring me down, can't run. Bring me down, I said take it out. Bring me down, can't run. Bring me down, love's too high. Bring me down.
Next, we have the family and the relatives of our birthday celebrant.
You feel like a homeless Come along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because come along if you know what happiness is to you. Because come along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because come along if you feel like a roof without a roof. Because come along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because come along if you know what happiness is to you. Because come along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down.
Alright, next we have our guest from Guimaras, here in Guimaras.
Down. Can't nothing.
Our visitors, sir, can they join our celebrant for the picture taking?
Come along if you feel happiness is the truth. Come along if you know what happiness is to you. Hey, hey, hey. Come along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Come along if you feel like a home without a roof. Come along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because come along if you know what happiness is to you. Come along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Next, may I request Sir Paul and Doc Angel.
Out there on the moon, let go. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Come along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Come along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Come along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Come along if you feel like that's what you want.
Next is Ma'am Toto and Tito Paraan.
Bad news, listen. Give me all you got, don't hold back. I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Come along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Come along if you feel like
Next, we have the De La Rosa family.
come along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Come along if you feel like that's what you want.
Judge Baguio and Nampanging.
Come along if you feel like a room without a roof. Come along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because come along.
Alright, so may nalipatan ako, ang away na lawag. Si Ati,
Come along if you feel
si
like
Daiging and Nung PJ.
come along if you feel like a room without a roof. Come along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because come along if you know what happiness is into you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, bring me down.
Alright, so thank you so much. So at this point in time, we will proceed with the candle blowing and the cake slicing. Sino may lighter dyan? Meron ba? And before we do the candle blowing, of course, it is customary that we sing the happy birthday song to our birthday celebrant. So may I request everyone to please stand and join me for the singing of our happy birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Palapakan naman before you blow your candle, tita, kindly make a wish muna and then blow your candle. Once again, a round of applause to our birthday celebrant. And of course, we will do the cake slicing. May I request Tito Marlon to please assist our celebrant as she slices her birthday cake. So, daw ko na yun niya. Daw, anniversary na yun niya. Nabatian niyo naman natin sa mga So, hambal ko ng nila kung gaano kadako, wait lang dito, hambal nila kung gaano kadako daw ang imong insubo sa partner mo, among muna sa kapalangga. So, natawag na kami kung kasi ito kapalangga, ni Tito Marlon, dito sa Olive. Natawag na kita na nakalaan. Kung alam mo. Okay, 1, 2. Alright, palakpakan naman dyan. Alright, once again, thank you so much. And I'm sure, nagutom na ka ba? Kaya pa mga 1 hour ang program? Okay, so I know nagutom ng tanan, but before we start, we will bless the food. And to do the honors, may I request Tita Chris to please bless the food. Thank you so much, Tita. And I think the food is ready. So you may now proceed at our food area here at the side. So, mapila lang daw. And you may enjoy the food. And afterwards, can you go back to your designated table.
Baka buta na ho.
I don't care, baby, by the way.
Nalita ko ka sa Libaros.
Shout out dira sa poblasyon sa Pian, sa Backstreet Boys, kay Tonton Baklay, kay Toto Giaro. Shout out Backstreet Boys.
Alright, so while everyone is enjoying their dinner, kindly enjoy your sumptuous dinner while we entertain you with songs of yesteryear. So enjoy lang kayo, guys. When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they play, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Those were such happy times, and nights so long ago. And I wonder where they've gone. What will happen again? Just like a lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every shine, every moment, sunshine. Every shining light that they saw so sad, so fine. When they got to the part where it's breaking my heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday's looking back on how it was in years gone by, and the good times that I had. Yesterday seemed rather sad, so much had to change. It was also love that I was sent to them, and now as each word, those old memories still sound so good to me. As they melt
Every single night that they started to say so all my best memories come back really to me. Some can even make me cry just like before. It's yesterday once more. Every sunlight, every moment, sunshine. Every single night that they started to say something. When they get to the part when it's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry just like before. It's yesterday once more. Fly to the moon and let me sing all the songs. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with songs and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Fly into the moon and let me sing among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on a Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold poet songs and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I fill my poet songs and let me sing forevermore. You are all I live for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, Come on, you know Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is. You are happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want.
Global Karaoke TV.
Alright, so we will have another song number from North and South. Palakpakan natin ulit. The angelic voices of Gimanas. We have North and South. Saan na po?
ako'y ibigin, labi ang buwan. Katatagang malimang ang katulad ko sa iyo, biru-biru ang simula, ang wakas pala ay ano. Aayaw-ayaw na ako, ngunit yan ay di totoo. Dahil sa iyong puso kong ito'y bitiyak mo. Alala ka, aking langit araw, aligin mo'y walang kailangan. Marinig ko lang sa labing mo hirap na ako'y ibigin, labi ang buhay. Marinig ko lang sa labing mo hirap na ako'y ibigin, labi ang buhay.
Ano yun eh, Knights? Ay sumpang malisay, ang wagas ng aming napapinaman. Ang magtutunay na tunay, sa puso kong nakasapasintang inuwanan. Wagas ng napapinaman. Ikaw ay tunay na tunay, puso kong takasapasitang di mo alam. Ang pag-ibig, pag-ibig ng maunawan. Ay silang isay, bukas
Mahal ko tunay na tunay, puso kong nakasakasintang di ko alam. La 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 la, di ko alam.
Grabe, palakpakan again from North and South. Napakagaling na mga bata ito. The perfect harmony. Grabe, napakagaling. And of course, to wrap up this evening's event, this would be complete without hearing a message from the celebrant herself. Of course, I know most of us first time iterate sa one of the most prestigious resort here in Guimaras, the Andana Resort. And of course, that is because of our beloved celebrant. Palakpakan naman natin, guys. And of course, we will hear a message from our very beautiful celebrant. A round of applause to Tita Olive Marquez.
Thank you, James. Good evening sa tanan. Gusto ko din magpasalamat inyo tanan na nakaabot to buya, isang dalayo-layo. Antos nyo, do Pulaw, sa Pulaw ka mo alas 3 na bugtaw, makasakay ng barko. Ang akon nga tagipusoon, nagalumpat-lumpat sa kalipay. Ano, wala ko din gina-expectar na amo gidra kasadya do akon nga birthday. Tungod man siguro sa akon nga pinalangga nga asawa, siguro, wa kinaya ka na nakaadyo sa Guimaras, kuno wa ka na. Siya, inainakan na ako ngayon kami ma-start. Galing daw, hindi pa din ako ay 50 pa lang ako, may 10 years pa ana. Kaya bala ko, bulang-bulang lang anay kita. Kung gusto mo Sabado, kami maadto. Kung gusto mo Lunes, adto ka man tumamon. Ay wakati ko opisina. Kami, Sabado lang kami makatabok. Hasta Domingo hapon mo ulit kami. Amo lang naman nakasugot. Importante, makapasadya kita yung mga tao nga gusto mag-enjoy. Hambal ko doy, siguro, ito ako nga birthday, hay celebrar ko man sa Guimaras. Ako ay siya nagbalibad. Hambal na, so, hindi naman ikaw mabalibaran, tungod gusto mo. Kaya ba na ako, kaisa na lang ako mag-50, ba? Balibaran mo ako. Siguro, hindi siya kabalibad ako, di palang ka naman ako. Walang naman ako to.
Ay, simple.
Ay, kita mo, kami, nakalabot yung kaiya sa Guimaras. Ako na makaroon na problema, pag-abot ko to sa Aricho, kasi may nagasugod. Pero nga to sa damanan, hindi pa ichildi ko man. Ay, may mga tugol to sa nga, na nagapadalang duldul. Nakilala ko mo duldul, kung ano? As in, soap nga, daw sabon, malagpo kayo siya. Ay, hindi na siya kung mag-ato sa birthday ko, basta may dala ako maduldul. Gano'n naman may assignment sinong ikong. Nung ikong, at ko sa tindahan, pangitang kahit, duldul. Naamura yun. At sa iba pa, sa mga kaibahan ko to, mawa nakasunod, dito ka na ko sa pagbalik galing na celebrate man kita liwat. Sa mga ako nga mga barkada, close friend, batchmate, na sulit din na nasanda ka ako nga nag-ato, ayaw mo na plano, bawal na huya din ako kay subang to plano para na mo, to sa lugar kita ng plano, nga mapanaw, may kaibahan kami na isa na taga Hong Kong. Hindi na siya magpanaw, ay hindi kaya lawas na. Pero si Pidgin Gitana, gusto na Gitana nga mapanaw kami. So, nakuya man ako kay Nunong Paligani nga ginailakan na ni Marlon nga maadtuya lang si Pangin ngay nambal may sisyon. Pakat siya. Gani hambal akong Pangin pag-imbitar ko ka na. Manayo na gid ka mo. Hambala. Manayo na gid kita. Sinabat ko siya na wala ka na sesyon. Kay Sabado ina, wala ka na sesyon. Gani padayon kita. Gani nagpasalamat ako sa Ginoo na litawan kita itmayan na chimpo. Di ba mayan kita ang chimpo? Gani palangga ako Ginoo ay litawan na gid ako it ng chimpo na manami. Wa kita nagulan. Ay di ba kagahapon maulan-ulan? Kami iyaw kami yan na panaw ako yan sa Gimaras, maulan among pamanawon. Pero kagaina, yung pinangamulo ko sa Ginoo, Lord, hindi man pa ulan na ako na birthday. Kaya amo lang rin mo ka ako mga tao. Ginapasalamatan, lugid tanan ang nag-agto nga, tanan ko nga din kangay, wag din nagbalibad. Ako man gani nang ginagawa ay ginapaigo-igo na amon sa lakyan. Isa gidlon ka napalpak abi amon. Aamon ka na dayo ka sa lakyan. Iyaw na sa Gimaras gani akamot ka ng plano dapat amon na isa ka sa lakyan. Ituto para kung sino awat na sakyan may masakyan. Gani ngay ng amon driver sinong ikong isa gidlan gani paato paaniya ang amon na driver. Pero salamat din kinyo, doktora. Si doktora nga lang, daw nahuya man punta ako ay ng sandalatan ni Sir Paul na mato-mato man yan pangadto. Pero si doktora Abi, taga-iyaman siya, taga-Gimaras, galing tultol naman tanan. Wag nga na ka na naghuya-huya, magkangal ay taga-iya siya. Tapos nagnambal man siya kakon na gusto naman mag-adto sa Andana, kaya ang place ni Andana, wala pa siya kuno kakalto. Ang bala, naglaong siya, ma'am, pwede ko madala si Paul. Matala ko, okay dito, okay, wala problema. Kaya ako pakitas na. Ako na, Sir Paul, thank you kayo naghatagid ka mo sometime sa ako na birthday, aber papaali, nakalapot dito mo, kabudlay ang pagpanakayod. Pero ferry siguro yung ferry na isakyan to. Lani, wala yung budlay sa ferry, kaya wala yung pilang asid-asid lang. Lain kung may salakyan kita, kahulat pa kita sa atong na salakyan yung makasakay. Well, siguro ako tihambal, ambot ko nag-enjoy man ka mo. Dala ka party, ang ako yung mga bisita, pagdaling nga, daya sanda, kay Marlon, daya nga kaibahan ng pulis, si Sir Dines, kay ang iyang pamilya, thank you for coming. Ang kagawan, best friend man Marlon yan, akong wakanda, man si Marlon nakilala. Daya sanda ang mga tao na nagtao kay Marlon, nagtao kay Marlon na makilala sa ng negosyo. Dahil kay Sir Dines, salamat kay Sir Dennis.
Ito siya rin yun, may lugar ko po sila lugar.
Si Sir Kalawan.
Hindi, Ijar.
Ha?
Iyaw din Ijar.
Iyawan din Ijar. Na ako siya nagtauman kay Marlon na maka-start natin dito sa Tamburong. Si Tamburong.
Si Tata.
Si Tata. Thank you, Bill. Kung siya ang akong inanan ko na sa ilang place. Salamat po ka. Ako lang mo siguro ang ako na mahabal. Let's enjoy the event. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Once again, give a round of applause to our fabulous celebrant, Tita Olive. Hopefully, nasa 55 ka sa 60, madaan magyapon kami sa raffle. Magyapon kami. And of course, let me take this opportunity to thank the management of Andana Resort from the crew and staff for the very warm accommodation. Once again, on behalf of our celebrant, thank you so much, guys, for coming. And that ends the part 1 of our celebration. The night is still young, and let's party, party!
Oh, kapit! Sulod, kapit!
North and South, may pondo pa kita na.
Alin pa! Isa pa! Pesto, okay?
Siguro ang ba naman to, ang tatay naman ni North Cab South, kaya syempre, namaanali ang ilang talento nila sa ilang amay. Di ba la? Abisir, isa lang abisir. We will have a song number from Ma'am Eduque. Palakpakan ta si Ma'am.
Malakad ako. Ay, lumang ako. Init. Betul, betul, betul.